Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic atoms and molecules. So let us see what do you mean by an atom. An atom is the smallest particle of any matter that constitutes a chemical element. So our matter is made up of very small particle called atom. The word atom is derived from the Latin word atomio, that means indivisible. A very solid, liquid, gas and plasma is composed of neutral or ionized atoms. We have already studied what is matter. So all the matter is made up of extremely small particle called atom. So atom is very small particle. It is a building block of all the matter, and atoms are extremely small. It cannot be seen by our naked eyes. These are the peculiarity of an atom. Atom is the smallest constituent unit of an ordinary matter that constitute a chemical element. Okay. Then we will see what is a molecule. A molecule is the smallest particle in a chemical element or compound that has the chemical properties of that element or compound. So molecule is the simplest particle of any matter which has all the characteristics properties of that particular matter. That means when you take the example of water molecule has all the properties of water. Clear? That means a molecule has independent existence. Molecules are made up of atoms that are held together by chemical bonds. All the molecules are made up of atoms. Atoms combined to form molecules. So molecules are made up of atoms, and these are held together by chemical bonds that you will study later. What do you mean by chemical bond? These bonds form as a result of the sharing or exchange of electrons among atoms. So molecules are the simplest particle of any matter which has all the properties of that particular matter. We have seen the example of water molecule. Water molecule is a very small particle, and this water molecule has all the properties of that substance water. So we can say that molecule has an independent existence. So here we have seen atoms and molecules. Atom does not have independent existence, and it does not have any properties of that particular matter. If you take example water, the atom of water does not have any property of that particular matter water. That means water is a matter, and the constituent atom does not have that property. Clear? So let us see what are the differences between atoms and molecules. Atoms, the tiny particle of a chemical element which may or may not exist. That is an first difference. Molecules refer to the set of the atoms held together by the bond indicating the smallest unit of a compound. So atoms are the very simplest particle. Okay. And molecules are formed by atoms. So molecules are made up of atoms. The second difference, atoms comprise of nucleus and electrons. So atoms are made up of nucleus and electrons. That is another difference. Atoms are made up of nucleus and electrons. This is the second difference. Two or more identical or different atoms bonded chemically. Different atoms bonded chemically to form a molecule. Clear? So the last difference is may or may not exist in free state. Atoms may or may not exist in free state. Okay. And molecules exist in free state. These are the main differences between atoms and molecules. Today we have seen atoms and molecules. Atoms are very small particle of any matter and it does not have independent existence. Then molecules are the simplest particle of any matter which has all the properties of that particular matter and it has an independent existence. That is all about today's class. Thank you.